Hi, this is Maggie. In this video we're going to answer the question, how do I convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number? If you haven't already watched the videos that answer the questions, what is a number base and what are hexadecimal numbers, I suggest you watch those videos first and then return here. Converting from hexadecimal to decimal is not too difficult. Let's start by writing out a decimal number using an extended place value notation. Let's take the number 45,219. We have a 4 in the 10,000s place, a 5 in the thousands place, a 2 in the hundreds place, a 1 in the tens place, and a 9 in the ones place. I want to write that out in a more generalizable form. So I'm going to write 4 times 10 to the 4th plus 5 times 10 to the 3rd plus 2 times 10 squared plus 1 times 10 to the 1st plus 9 times 10 to the 0. Now suppose that's a hexadecimal number. It could be all of those digits are also hexadecimal digits. Then our base is 16 instead of 10, and we have 4 times 16 to the 4th plus 5 times 16 to the 3rd plus 2 times 16 squared plus 1 times 16 to the 1st plus 9 times 16 to the 0. The positions are related to the base. Now let's look at a smaller hexadecimal number that has some digits beyond 9 and convert it to decimal. We will take 3C2 in hexadecimal and convert it to decimal. Let's write this out in an extended place value notation. We have 3 times 16 squared plus C times 16 to the 1st plus 2 times 16 to the 0. I'm going to substitute the powers of 16 into this expression, giving us 3 times 256 plus C times 16 plus 2 times 1. This is looking more like an expression that we can easily evaluate, except that we have the digit C, which is not a decimal digit. If we convert all hexadecimal digits to decimal numbers, in this case only the C, then we get 3 times 256 plus 12 times 16 plus 2 times 1. Now, to convert this to decimal, we have only to perform the multiplications and then the additions according to order of operations. And we get 768 plus 192 plus 2, which equals 962. You can check your work in Python. A program called idle comes with your Python installation. Run idle, and at the prompt, the 3 angle brackets, type int, all lowercase, open parentheses, and then a quotation mark. Type in your hexadecimal number with no spaces, in this case 3C2, a close quote and then a comma, a 16 for base 16, and a closed parentheses. When we press enter, we will get the decimal conversion of the hexadecimal number we put in quotes. You can also compute the powers of 16 in idle, which is helpful since they quickly become quite large. The exponentiation operator in Python is 2 asterisks without a space between them. So, for example, to find 16 squared, you write 16 asterisk asterisk 2 at the prompt and press enter. Practice converting hexadecimal numbers to decimal and check your work in idle. Make sure the conversion makes sense and that you're not just following a procedure. Discuss it with others and ask questions. When you're confident you can successfully convert any hexadecimal number to decimal, you're ready to move on.